Hi! Ito si Lola Lapatura. It's my day 16. Ito ang ginagawa ko tuwing umaga. I will share to you my mga activities tuwing umaga. So, let's to lose my belly fat. Let's go! So that's all for today. Bye.